Alright, so this is me and JJ. We're looking for some lightning. Give me icebreakers. Are you ready to see some lightning, JJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. JJ's fat, so he needs icebreakers. See, that's fucking hard. So homo. See, we got some lightning over there.
I bet the water's rough as fuck.
I bet it is too. We're not going in the water.
Why not?
God, what's the point?
It's fucking rough.
So fucking what? Big deal. JJ. Here.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking homo. Swear to God, I'm gonna stab you. Alright, so. Icebreakers are good. So we're looking for some lightning, trying to get some. There's a rainbow. Oh, there we go. We got some.
The mosquitoes are eating me.
So, JJ, think we're gonna get some good shots of lightning?
Nope.
Fuck you. God, this sucks.
More icebreakers.
Shut up, fucking fatty.
They're addicting.
I don't give a shit.
I know what that meant.
What? You're gay. Fuck you, you ration out my Thin Mints.
Good.
Fuck you, you're fat. Whoa, bitch!
Did you get that one?
I think I did. I think I got a, like, yeah.
Let's go to the top.
We're so gonna get struck. It's gonna be hilarious. Hopefully it's you, so I can get a camera. Hey, it's a dog. God, this sucks. Ow. God. I wonder what the toads are doing. God. Dude, the lightning's gonna be sick at the top.
Where's the end of it? It's fading.
It's fading. The leprechaun's leaving.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
How do you think a rainbow is?
About 237,000 kilometers long.
No, it's not that long.
Meters.
It really isn't. It's probably a mile long. Not even.
Shit. Oh God, this is annoying as hell. Oh wait, yeah there are. Never mind. Alright, so now we wait. There's some lightning out in the distance. I'm gonna focus on that. There's the end of the... There's some going on. Ooh, shit, that's pretty. That is pretty. Let's see where else can we find lightning. Just gotta keep watching. There's a little bit. Oh, there's a little bit. There's some over there. Whoa! Beastie. This one's something really beastie.
Keep your eyes.
I know. But the big shit's happening like right there. Yeah. shit going on over there. Shit. Damn, I missed it. My head turns faster than the camera. That's what pisses me off. Fuck you. Oh, there's some shit. What else can we get?
Dying.
Fucking camp people, that must suck. Holy shit. Oh. There's some shit, there's shit. And I missed it. Fuck you! Bird, see it? Oh, there's some shit. And I missed it because the fucking bird had to be a little bitch. Fuck. We got it over here. There's some lightning. I hate zooming in with the camera because everything gets all shit. Really? Oh, baby! Oh, fuck! I got that shit. That shit's amazing. That was just reality right there. I hope I didn't get that on camera. I hope. That just totally fucked up the video, you asshole. It probably can't go over 2. It's fucking over 10 minutes long. They don't. I'll put half of it on. I'll put it on Facebook now. That's it. Wait, there's shit going on over there. Wait, shit over there. Shit, some shit over there. Oh, piss my eye. Piss in my eye. Isn't that pretty? You're right. Heaven. Hell. Heaven. We're just in the middle of heaven and hell. That'd be awesome if the fire goes over there. That would be funny. And it would really be hell. You stand right up on this bench. Just to give you